I'm CJ Miller at Grand Park in Westfield, and it is the 2022 Indiana Farm Equipment and Technology Expo presented by Agri-Financial and Reynolds Farm Equipment, going on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday through December 15th. Free parking, free admission, even free coffee presented by our folks and our friends at Series Solutions, and free seminars as well, including Chad Colby and also the folks with the Purdue Crop Chat team. They'll be having free seminars as well. It's all here at Grand Park. It's the 2022 Indiana Farm Equipment and Technology Expo presented by Agri-Financial and Reynolds Farm Equipment. For more information, check out that website, indianafarmexpo.com.